Hey guys, get ready with me. Let's go to the market. Let's go for some small market runs. You guys remember this my hairstyle? I've been wearing it since on Saturday and I want to go to the market. I've not been able to film using my back camera. I've been using my front camera. You all remember that my mirror broke the other day, so I've not gotten a new one. So I'll be heading to the market today to get a new mirror and some few things. So you guys get ready with me. So first let's hydrate my hair and moisturize my hair. I'll just want to spray some water and that will be all. You see, I've not even loosed the shoelace. So a lot of you have been asking about this leave-in conditioner and it's available. You can actually send me a DM to place your order. But I make this product myself. They are my products. I don't know why it is very difficult for you guys to comprehend or believe that these products are my products. If you want to get this product, you can just send me a DM to place your order. Okay, we have it available in 500 ml and 250 ml. So if you need hair products like shampoo, rinse out conditioner, leave-in conditioner, hair butter, hair growth oil and hairspray, well, to send me a DM to get yours. Okay, so you guys, quickly brush my hair like this. We are good to go. I'll be covering my hair, nothing much. So yeah. Okay, someone asked if my hair really shrinks. My hair do shrink. Oh, anybody's hair that doesn't shrink, if your hair is natural and it doesn't shrink, it means it has been damaged by heat or, let me just see, environmental factors. So I'll just apply my lip gloss. Let me press this thing. Yeah, so see how I'm glowing, you guys. So I'll just be applying this, my perfume. I love the smell of this perfume, so nice. Guys, I'm ready and I'm heading to the market. I don't know if I'll be able to film while I'm in the market, but I'll definitely come back and show you guys what I bought from the market. Okay, so you guys, yeah, and mind you, I made this gown for myself. It's a free gown. I sew it for myself. At this point, you can actually call me jack of all trade and I wouldn't mind. We are good to go, you guys. Catch you later. So guys, I just came back from the market and this was everything I bought. Okay, so I came in but I could not I could not continue. So these are some of the things I bought. Okay, so I got this aloe vera gel. Okay, I use it on my face. Okay, I also got this body spray for my children. It has a beautiful and nice scent. I like it. I also got roll-on for my girl. I also got this. Can you see it? I also got this bead for myself. I got it for myself. This is okra and some protein. I'll be making soup with it. I also got some plantain. I also got some red chili. This. Okay. I also got this coat. I also got this coat. You guys, I got this earbud. Okay. And finally, guys, I got a new mirror, longer than the one I had before, you guys, but it was way above my budget. It was not what I budgeted for. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.